The first thing that people ask me these days is that we don't even have money. You don't have savings. You don't even have a job that you are doing, or you are broke now. And somebody is talking about investment, savings, stocks, bonds, crypto. All this language will not make sense to you, because the first thing you need is work or a job. If I am in this position, what will I do? You can find any hustle, and there's a lot of hustle in America, there's a lot of hustle in Nigeria, there's a lot of hustle in Africa. There's a lot of things you can do that you can make money now, even in Nigeria, in Lagos. I've been there before. I'm not there now. I'm not where I want to be, but I'm not there anymore. I've left that realm because I've been able to create job for myself. I can call it job now because it's a whole lot of work. The first thing I will do is to search online. What platform can I use to make money? Everyone on this earth have interest. There's no one that is born of no purpose. As far as you are born of a woman and a man, as far as you are born of God, you have a purpose. And with this purpose, you have interest. And with this interest, you have what you like and what you don't like. And I believe that you want to talk about what you like, not what you don't like. And even what you don't like is a niche on its own. You can actually make money with what you don't like, just by coming every day and speak about what you don't like. That I don't like this, maybe you don't like how the investment. For me now, I'm talking about investments. I'm talking about savings, talking about entrepreneurs, talking about business, because I am one. So it's easier for me to talk about it. But for you, you have interest that you don't like the way business is done in Africa, you don't like the way America business is done in America, you don't like this, you don't like that. If you only talk about that alone, you can make money. Literally. And I'm not being sarcastic here, like I'm being real here. Am I making money with my video yet? No. But the fulfillment here is that I'm able to talk about my interests. I love anything that revolves around money, investments, loan, stocks, fund, app, S&P 500, investment, cryptocurrency, mention them. Am I in this for a short time? No, I'm here for a long time. Oh, you're not making money yet, you're just wasting your time. I know this thing will pay. I'm here for a long time. I'm enjoying this. This interests me. I love this. I'm fulfilled to some extent. Of course, I have side hustle. I have one or two things I do. But if I will start again, if I have known this thing I'm telling you now, the last 2-3 years, I will not have struggled all these struggles I've done. I will have begun to talk about my interests online. I'm learning and I'm teaching. So I'm consuming and I'm applying what I'm consuming and I'm teaching what I'm consuming. That is one segment on its own. This other one is I learned how to run Facebook ad as a side hustle. I learned that one for free. I learned on YouTube. I learned on ChatGPT. Thank God for DeepSeek AI that just came and carried everything along with a lot of information. Those $20 that we pay for ChatGPT 4, we're not paying again. I want you to prepare your mind, prepare yourself that you can actually make money. There should be one thing you have learned. It might be your intelligence, your skills, or your character, your patience. It can be one thing, just one thing. That one thing is the only thing you need to survive first and continue to survive. Then you pass the surviving stage and begin to succeed. This is if you don't have what to do right now. This is what I will do. Now, before then, you need to eat, you need to drink, you need to stay somewhere, you need to do one or two things. But in the long run, something that will pay you after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, depending on how much muscle you put into it, depending on how much hard work and how much consistency you are willing to put to the game, you will survive. I'm still surviving, but you know what? I will never give up. There's a lot of things that I am responsible for, and I believe that you too are responsible for a lot of things. The best you can do to make use of the opportunity that is presented to you on a daily basis, make use of that phone to make money. Of course, you need to do one or two things first. About 10,000 hours doing something repeatedly, you become boss at it, and it will pay you when you become the guru in any specific niche. Before I succeed, I need to survive. I need to be able to eat, to feed myself, to wear clothes, not look about fancy clothes. I need to cover my nakedness. Then when you are able to plan how to survive, then you think ahead again. How will I succeed in this in the next 2 years? then how would I succeed in this thing in the next 5 to 10 years? There's a lot of things I can mention in this video for you to do to make money. A whole lot of them. But for now, we'll leave it this way. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell.